everyone. My topic for today's lecture is India-China relationship. So, India and China, two of the world's oldest civilization and fastest growing economies, share complex and often tense relationship. Their ties are shaped by geography, history, economic competition, and strategic rivalry. So, the conflict between India and China dates back to the border issues, especially in Aksai Chin and the Arunachal Pradesh. The 1962 war of India and China created a lasting mistrust, and despite many rounds of talks, the border issues still remain unsettled. Seeing the recent issues like 2017 Doklam standoff and 2020 Galwan clash, it has further strained the relationship. But economically, India and China have deeper connections. China is India's largest trade partner, but there is a trade imbalance between them, with India importing far more than it exports. To address this imbalance, India has taken initiatives such as Atmanirbhar Bharat by encouraging domestic manufacturing. India has also restricted many Chinese apps and investment to safeguard its national interests. Strategically, China's growing influence in the Indian Ocean and its close ties with the Pakistan and its Belt and Road Initiative poses a challenge for India. Similarly, India's partnership in the Quad, including US, Japan and Australia, is also viewed cautiously by China. Yet, both the nations are aware that cooperation is must. So they take part in the platforms such as BRICS, Shanghai Cooperation and BRICS and G20, focusing on climate change, global trade and multilateral development. So the major issues today that India is facing are the LAC tensions, water sharing concerns over the Brahmaputra River, and the trade imbalance and the competition in the Indo-Pacific region. So India has also taken several steps to counter China's influence by building infrastructure in the border areas and enhancing military preparedness. It is also enhancing partnership with the like-minded nation to counter the China's effect. In conclusion, Indo-China relationship is marked by both competition and cooperation. For long-lasting stability, India and both the nations must resolve border disputes, reduce mistrust, and should focus on promoting balanced economical engagement. So, to maintain the peace between India and China is not only important for the bilateral ties, but it is also important for maintaining stability in the whole Asian region. Thank you.